everyone, and welcome back to another video. I know, Larry, where the frick were you this entire time? You literally missed like 500 billion updates. My favorite game updated. Like, I know, okay? I know. I like Legends Battlegrounds. I know it updated, okay? I know that. I didn't feel up to making a video. Okay, no finisher for that. I think we all know what this finisher looks like. Oh my gosh. Sick. Okay, nice. Okay, I've seen that before because I watched some videos, but the rest I haven't seen, so let's see it. Oh, another cinematic. Oh, okay. Okay, and then I hit a JoJo pose at the end. Okay, that's hilarious. Oh, nice and easy cinematic. Okay. Let's see this ultimate. Oh, cool. Okay, it does that little KJ thing at the end. Alright. Okay, Chronos, my bad. I think we all know what this one does. Yep. Does Mach... Okay, yeah. Oh, it is Mach 5. I don't know what that is. Okay, sick. Does that have a finisher? Oh, hold on. I might have to not do it on a low HP dummy. I might just have to get the regular dummies. There we go. Let's see if there is one. No. Okay. What the heck is that? Oh, okay. That's just a slide. Anyways, what the heck does Jetstorm do? What in the world am I doing? Whoa! What in the world? Yo, did Ida do all this? What? Okay. What does Turbo Release do? That's it? Let's see if Jetstorm has a finisher. Okay, it does, I think. I think there's a finisher. I can't tell. Is it the same? It's the same. Okay. Oh wait, no. It's different. What's going on? What in the world? Oh my god. Oh, okay. He just died to my aura. What the heck? Okay, and I don't know what Turbo Release does. Okay, what does this do? I don't know what the finisher is. Okay, you ride him like a surfboard. Okay, that's not that cool. Okay, wait, what the? What? Whoa, what? What? Hold on, do my eyes deceive me? What was that? Oh, hold on, that was a little glitchy. Hold on, let me try that again. Oh my god. Ida's the Flash? Since when was Tenya the Flash? What in the world just happened? Okay. Did they do anything to my boy Warp Portal? I don't have early access on this account. Hold on. I know they were doing some stuff to his ultimate. And I haven't seen that yet. Give my ultimate. I haven't seen this moveset before, of course, but I haven't seen if there's any other stuff that reworked or not. I do have Discord, but I haven't checked it yet. Let's see, just Spatial Furry. If this is all the same, yeah, that's the same, that's the same, and that's the same. Okay. So it's just Spatial Fury, which I have seen this move already, so I don't really care to see that. Well, that's the update. So I'm gonna come up with an what you wanna call it, a combo before this video starts, so I don't instantly lose every battle. See you in like 2 minutes. Okay, Here we go. Okay. Evasive zone. Let's just pretend we hit that. Hold on. I think I'm coming up with stuff. Hold on. Hold on. I messed up. Hold on, I know what I'm doing. Let's turn off no cooldowns so I don't mess up. Okay, I think I got it. I think I have a good combo. I'm leaving. I wonder what other finishers they came out with. Hold on, I'm gonna check their Discord really quick. You know what, I'm done. I'm checking their Discord. See what else they got. I don't know if I missed anything, and if I missed anything, I'll show it in the public server, I guess. I'm currently installing Discord. To see if I'm missing anything. It's possible that I missed something. Maybe I missed a move. I got like reword or something. I can check it on the public server. Can't check out the early access character, as discussed already. Yeah, let's missed anything. No, what the heck? I didn't miss anything. Just start screaming, what the, like, what? What did he say? What? Bro, what am I even going on about? I had the funniest bus ride of my life, bruh. What is going on over there? Yo, what are we doing to the dummy? Isn't it split ice? The guy... He's getting mastery, right? Like, eventually. Why do you have to be so close for this to hit? Oh. Okay, I'm about to hit a JoJo pose on the dang dummy. Oh, God, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I meant it. Okay, how close do you have to be? You have to be, like, right on top of him? That didn't even work. Time to hit a JoJo pose on him. Dude, why am I getting so many finishers on a dang dummy? I don't know, I just want my ultimate, okay? I want someone to fight. Like, this laggy guy. I don't know what else to say about him. He's just laggy. I want to fight you so bad. But boy, you be... Ow. I'm gonna get right in front of this. Actually, it looks so cool too. Oh, I got my eye on you. Hiya! Okay, I'm gonna get smoked. I already know it. Who knows? I'm already gonna get smoked. Yeah, I knew it. I'm gonna get smoked. I already know it. I haven't played this game in literally months. Years, maybe. It's probably been a year to this point. I wouldn't be surprised. I suck at this dang game. I haven't played it in just a couple days. I play Legends Battlegrounds, alright? Okay, now how did you hit me? Hey buddy, I'm back here. Oh god, come on! See what I mean? I get destroyed so easily because I cannot talk these days, bro. I already lost my voice. Do I really need to lose it more? Where do you think you're going? You ready? I'm locked in now. Okay. See, I'm locked in. Okay, I'm not locked in. I'm not locked in no more. You missed. Dash. Ah, see, I knew it. But I couldn't do it in time. I couldn't do anything. Okay, and then I'm not doing anything anymore because I suck at this everything. Okay, why are we interfering? I'm locked in now. I'm locked in. I'm locked in. No? I'm locked in. There you go. What can I say? I'm locked in. Well, I'm locked in. When I'm locked in, I'm low-key goated at this game. Get out of here. What can I say? What can I say? I literally haven't played this game in literally 6 months. How the frick did I do that? I don't even know. I don't even know how I did that. Okay, that was honestly the play of my entire YouTube channel. I'm not even gonna lie. Bro, just watch over it. Oh, dude, that's sick. I didn't even get to see what that said. That is sick anyways, because I don't care what the freak it says. Okay, it was only you because I felt like it. Only because I felt like it. You know what? I actually kind of feel like it too. I'm sorry. Okay, now we're just attacking random people. Okay, now we're just attacking random people, aren't we? Okay. Okay, you can stop attacking me. You can stop. Goodness gracious. Goodbye. You better get the fuck back here. Get back here. Hey, buddy. That's right. Come talk to me, boy. Okay. Okay, you literally just took my entire kill. I hate you. I hate you for that, but at least I got my kill. Anyways. Okay, well, that's the update. Thanks for watching. That's it. Just thanks. Okay, you know what?
What's up? I want the gas. I can't talk right now. I might mess it up. What's the move? Shit been dry. We pop out, yeah, we on shit tonight. What you wanna fuck? Yeah, I just might. Yeah, I been up the way, I'm by the side. You want beef, might give you a fry. You wanna cut your neck with a coin slice. She wants me, yeah, she gets away. I want the shit, I'm fried. I found out, yeah, with the red, yeah, it's a green light. Yeah.